Terracotta pots, more than just clay. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, terracotta pots. This phrase is not only common in gardening and home decor discussions but also a great example of how specific words in English can paint a vivid picture. Let's explore what terracotta pots are, their history, and their uses. Get ready to add a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Terracotta pots are ceramic planters made from a type of clay known as terracotta. The word terracotta comes from Italian, where terra means earth and cotta means baked. These pots are known for their distinct orange-brown color, which is a result of the iron content in the clay reacting to heat during the firing process. They're popular for their rustic appearance and their ability to let air and water move through the walls, benefiting plant health. Terracotta has been used for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Romans and Greeks. Originally, it was used for sculptures and building materials, but over time, its use in making pots for plants became widespread. This historical aspect adds a touch of antiquity and tradition to terracotta pots, making them more than just simple planters. Apart from adding an aesthetic touch to homes and gardens, terracotta pots have practical benefits. They are porous, allowing soil to breathe and preventing root rot in plants. Their weight helps in stabilizing larger plants. Also, they are eco-friendly and durable, making them a sustainable choice for gardeners. Terracotta pots are more than just containers for plants. They are a blend of history, art, and practicality. We hope this exploration of terracotta pots enriches your understanding of this common yet fascinating phrase in English. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.